What up, you filthy animal? Check out our new background. Wild Trails, baby. Sasquatch and his butt. I can't get enough of that. That's hilarious. What up, guys? Day after Christmas. I didn't get shit for Christmas. I think my pneumonia's gone, but I got other shit going on. But we're back to I got my fucking slipper stuck, you bitches. Let's get a light on. Jesus Christ. Look at that. You see the shocks on that thing? That's those crazy shocks that I put on. I tried it. And look, you're gonna love the Sasquatch. So I'm swapping shocks back to the stock. These are too stiff. And all it did was spin. You couldn't control it. See, this is the shocks that we had on, I put on. Those, the ones that I said leaked and all that junk, well, they're too stiff for the drag car. So we're going to swap them back out for the regular shocks. Bam. Stock shocks under the R10. Whoa. And that was it. We put the shocks on. Look at that. It stopped. There's the race car. You got Slash. Cushy Punch. And Led Zeppelin. Alright, thanks guys. That was one video. Oh, check out my hair. Look at that. Nice and swoopty whoopty. The squash. Look out for the coon. There it is. And then here's some of the parts we're gonna use for fixing something up. I'll put the video up, and then yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do some kind of stuff like that later. Oh yeah.